At this point, we've got a circle drawn and a square extruded. We now need to look at our polygon tool in the sketch menu. Click on the polygon tool and take a look at the menu that pops up on the left-hand side of the page. This menu will ask you how many sides you want to have on the polygon and what diameter circle should fit inside the polygon. Let's take a look at how this tool works. We want to draw a 5-sided polygon, or a pentagon. And we want this pentagon to start from the point at the end of the line we have created on the right side of our square. Click this point just as you did when you created the circle. We want to drag this polygon out towards the center of our circle, but not connect it to the end point of the line or the origin of your drawing. Make sure your angle says 180 degrees before clicking the mouse a second time. After this second click, we should see our menu appear with our number of sides and diameter boxes. The diameter of this internal circle, or the dotted circle around the inside of our polygon, should be 11 millimeters. Type in 11, then press enter. Click the green check mark. With both shapes drawn, we should be able to see a 2-dimensional drawing affixed to our 3-dimensional shape. To rotate this shape, simply hold down the wheel on the center of the mouse, then move the mouse from side to side. Anytime you need to look directly at the face of the drawing again, you can click the arrows in the triad at the bottom of the page.